There comes a moment in every man's life where everything goes quiet. Not on the outside, but inside. A silence so deep, it feels like the world paused just to let you catch the truth. It's not dramatic. It's not angry. It doesn't come with yelling or broken things. It shows up in stillness when you're sitting there, staring at the phone she hasn't touched in days, or looking at the empty space next to you in bed where she used to lay. And for the first time, the feeling that creeps in isn't heartbreak. It's clarity. The truth hits you gently, but completely. She doesn't care. Not the way you thought she did. Not the way you cared. Not even close. And in that realization, a weight lifts. Because the hardest part was the uncertainty. The trying. The hoping. You were convinced that if you just gave more, loved harder, held tighter, she'd come around. That one more selfless act would make her see you. But it never worked. Because she wasn't blind. She just wasn't invested. And now, you get it. Not in a bitter way. In a calm, detached, brutally honest way. You've been playing a different game. You were showing up while she was slowly checking out. You think back to all the moments that should have told you the truth. When you sent her something vulnerable and she left you on read. When you stayed up late to check in on her, even after a brutal day, and she barely acknowledged it. When you apologized first, not because you were wrong, but because you valued the peace more than your pride. And what did that get you? A woman who saw your effort not as devotion, but as desperation. She didn't value it, she expected it, because somewhere along the way, your love stopped being a choice and became her entitlement. You kept pouring into someone who barely held out a cup. You thought if you just gave a little more, she'd start giving back. But she never did, because, in her world, emotional highs matter more than consistency. She wasn't keeping score like you were. She was just feeling it till she wasn't. And the day she stopped feeling it, she began detaching. Quietly, coldly, like you never mattered. That's the part that shakes you. How quickly she turned the page, while you were still stuck rereading chapters. But now you see it for what it is. She didn't leave because you failed. She left because she never stayed. Not fully. Not with the same weight you carried. You were loyal to the bond. She was loyal to the feeling. And when that feeling faded, so did her presence. But here's where the shift happens. You don't hate her for it. You stop needing her to explain. You stop needing her to validate what you know. The truth is enough. You were all in. She never was. And that's okay. Because now, you're done playing the fool in a story that never had your ending in mind. You're done loving where love isn't returned. You're not broken. You're just finally awake. She didn't care when you were tired. She didn't care when you showed up anyway. She didn't care when you swallowed your frustration, buried your needs, and prioritized her emotional storms over your silent struggles. That's what hurts, not the absence, but the apathy. You gave her access to a side of you few ever see. The raw, the real, the resilient. And she looked at it like it was disposable. Like it was normal. Like it was supposed to be hers by default. You kept telling yourself, she's just overwhelmed. Or, she's going through something. But deep down, you knew. You knew she wasn't showing up for you the way you did for her. You knew you were investing in something she was only renting, and the more you gave, the less she respected it. Because in her eyes, your effort was never seen as strength, it was seen as weakness. She started pulling back, testing, withholding, seeing how far you'd go to keep her. How much of yourself you'd trade to be enough for someone who never truly appreciated your value. And you did it. You jumped through hoops. You played calm. You tried to be her peace, but all she wanted was a thrill, a vibe, an emotional ride. And when you stopped being her favorite distraction, she checked out. Quietly, emotionlessly. And this is where most men break. Right here. Confused, questioning their worth, wondering what more they could have done. But not you. Not anymore. Because you finally get it. She didn't walk away because of your flaws. She walked away because she was never built to recognize your worth. And that realization, it doesn't harden you. It liberates you. You stop chasing women who mistake devotion for desperation. You stop offering depth to people drowning in their own shallowness. You start choosing you. You don't react anymore. You don't explain. Don't chase. Don't beg. The version of you that once fought for clarity is gone. Because now you understand clarity doesn't come from her words, it comes from her patterns. And her patterns told you everything you needed to know. She pulled away when you needed her close. She went silent when you reached for connection. She made you feel like the problem for simply wanting what you gave so freely. But you're done unpacking your soul for someone who only ever skimmed the surface of who you are. Now your peace is non-negotiable. Your presence is selective. You don't open the door just because someone knocks. You watch. You assess. You filter. You used to confuse attention for affection. Not anymore. You've learned that anyone can say the right thing, but only the real ones show up when it counts. That's what you're watching for. Now consistency, stability, truth, not words, not chemistry, not sparks that burn out by morning. You're done being pulled into emotional roller coasters designed to keep you unbalanced. And here's the shift. She feels it. That detachment, that steady, grounded energy, the version of you that used to flinch at distance now thrives in silence. She might reach out. She might post stories hoping to get your attention, but you don't bite, you don't respond. You're no longer validating chaos. You're anchoring yourself. Because now you get it, feminine energy chases masculine certainty, and you're no longer the man seeking approval. You're the man who chooses. She may want back in, but now it's on your terms. No access without alignment. No connection without consistency. You've outgrown emotional volatility. You're not cold, you're calm. And calm, in this world, is power. You don't hate her. That's the part that surprises you the most. You're not holding on to rage, plotting revenge, or wishing she suffers. You've simply accepted what is. You see her clearly now, as a villain, not as a victim, but as someone who was never meant to walk the full road with you. She gave you her feelings, not her foundation. And once those feelings changed, she vanished like it never meant anything. That used to destroy you. Now, it defines your boundaries. She left not because you were unworthy, but because she was incapable. Incapable of matching your depth. Incapable of reciprocating the emotional strength you carried for both of you. You kept hoping she'd come back different, more grounded, more honest. But that was the fantasy waiting for someone to evolve in a story they already ended. Now, you don't wait. You don't open old doors. You don't romanticize what broke you. You recognize that peace is not found in nostalgia, but in truth. She might reach out. But you know what that is? It's not love. It's discomfort. She misses the emotional stability you provided, the calm you carried into her chaos. But you're not her savior. You're not her second chance. You're not a man she gets to circle back to after discarding. Because this time, your silence isn't a strategy. It's your standard. You don't need to explain your exit. Your absence is loud enough. She'll remember you. But it's not your concern anymore. You've moved past being someone's maybe. You're no longer trying to prove your worth to someone who never saw it. You've outgrown the story. You've healed. And now, her memory is just that, a memory. Nothing more. Nothing to return to. Nothing to revive. Just a closed chapter in a book you no longer reread. You're not waiting to be chosen anymore. You're not standing at the emotional gate, hoping someone sees your value. You've become the chooser. The man who decides who gets access. Who earns presence. Who qualifies for your energy. Not because you're arrogant, but because you've finally learned what peace costs. You've stopped giving it away to anyone who smiles sweetly and promises they're different. Now, you don't trust words, you trust patterns. You don't fall for effort, you watch for consistency. And most importantly, you don't break your standards just to feel wanted. You've stepped into a new reality. One where your time, your focus, your masculine energy are investments, not favors. You don't chase anymore, you build. You don't beg, you lead. The woman who truly belongs in your life won't need to be convinced. She'll show up, present, accountable, solid, not perfect but intentional. And if she doesn't, you keep moving. You don't lose sleep wondering if she'll return. You've tasted solitude and found strength in it. That strength, it's your filter. It keeps out what once broke you. You've become emotionally expensive. Not because you're playing hard to get, but because you're done being emotionally cheap. You've outgrown chaos. You've outgrown potential. You've outgrown women who test you more than they trust you. Now, your love is sacred. And if she can't meet you with the same grounded clarity, she doesn't get to stay. You've built yourself from the ashes of who you used to be. And the man you are now. He doesn't go backward. He doesn't reopen closed doors. He doesn't entertain old flames. He walks forward with purpose, with vision, with fire. Because the man who needs nothing is the man who attracts everything. And you, brother, have become that man. Calm, clear, complete.